Clapperboard, welcome to the aBlocks heading block tutorial. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to add a custom heading using the aBlocks heading block in WordPress. First, open the section of your website where you want to add the heading. Next, search for heading block and insert the aBlocks heading block. That's it. You can now customize the text, style, and layout to match your design perfectly. Let's get started. From the general section, start by entering the title text you want to display. Choose the appropriate HTML tag, like H1, H2, or H3, depending on your content structure and SEO needs. Adjust the alignment of your heading, left, center, or right, to fit your layout perfectly. Now, head over to the Style section. Choose the text color that complements your brand or section background. Next, customize the typography. Change the font size, weight, line height, and letter spacing to get the exact look you want. Enhance your heading with text stroke and text shadow effects for extra visual impact. Once you're happy with the changes, click the Save button to apply everything. Finally, preview the page to see how your heading looks live. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized a stunning heading using the aBlocks heading block. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials on building beautiful websites with aBlocks.